I asked her how long I'm going to live. Not the dog, the cuckoo. Jesus. I don't believe I'm going to live so long in this life. That's enough. No, Jesus. Please stop. I don't want to live so long. I want to live happy. Yeah. 2 days ago I was fishing in this spot and another spot which is maybe 100 meters higher, and I caught about 10 pike. 5 in one spot and about 5 in the second spot. I tried to do fishing a couple of kilometers lower, couple of kilometers higher, and I had not a single strike. I filmed that fishing, and you can, if you had no chance to watch, there is a link in the description below and you can watch it. I filmed everything except from underwater part, because first of all it's tricky, difficult to film underwater fishing, how pike or different predatory fish attack stakes, bait, lure. And next, it's even more difficult in this particular area because it's shallow, weedy. How can you... I have different cameras, but I'm telling you, it's very, very difficult. But just recently I've got this beautiful, powerful, big bait board, which can be used for many different purposes. And for me, first of all, I would like to use it for filming, to film underwater what happening when fish takes, how fish reacts, etc. Okay, so I came back 2 days ago, 2 days later, hoping that pike is still here and hoping that it recovered, which is very unlikely. And I have a camera. I decided to use my old GoPro because people complained that that new camera was shaking too much, but I tell you, on this current any camera will be shaking, swinging, swiveling and shaking, so that is not avoidable. Hopefully this, my own rig, will be less shaking. And at first thing I'm going to use a dead bait, hookless. I would like to see if pike is still there, if it's taking, and at the same time I would like camera to film everything underwater as much as possible, to see what is the difference between spots where there is no pike and spot where was pike. What is the difference? I would like to see. Plus, if there is a pike, still pike, and if pike is going to take after dead bait, I'm going to try artificial lure also to film, to see and to film the difference, how pike takes a real fish, even dead, and artificial fish. But I know, I can tell you straight away what is the difference. The major difference: pike spits immediately, lures artificial. Doesn't matter if it's soft or hard, just they grab like that and spit. Dead bait, more than 50% dead holding if dead bait is fresh and good quality. They're holding and never even trying to drag, even they feel the resistance and trying to swallow. That's what I've seen before. I would like to confirm. I would like to see again. So first of all, what is the difference? That spot where I got pike and this spot where I didn't catch pike. I try to do fishing everywhere. Then how pike reacts, how attacks dead bait and lure, what is the difference, and then we'll see maybe something else. Okay, so now also weedy. there's no problem for the boat, but the camera and okay. This rig housing is floating, so and it dives when I pull it faster. So I move it slowly and then speed up, and then okay, yeah, that's the plan. So first of all, we'll power up the boat. Yes. Okay. See, it's not sinking. And it sinks when you pull it. Okay. It's already sinks. It's already caught the grass. I don't know. See, it's very difficult. Complex, complicated, difficult. That's why. Okay. The current is quite fast. Okay, let's go. If pike grabs the bait, we should see it. Hopefully it grabs. Depth 1 meter. That's what I'm saying. What could I use to film on 1 meter if I had no boat? That's the area where I caught pike. I don't know, no sign of life so far. Depth 80 centimeters. If I get no strikes, I'll try again, then try with lure, and then I go to a second spot. Maybe pike didn't recover yet after being caught 2 days ago. On current like this, they usually not following, they just strike suddenly. I don't know, I'm curious to see when I bring cameras home, but you see it already. That's how it works, because I know I will edit. No, I think we'll try lure now. Okay, let's try the lure. This is the lure. Here. Again, I'm going to release it. Drop it. As it's supposed to be. With this boat. Okay. Let's start recording. Yes. Should go somewhere deeper. Yeah, that's fine. How can I get all those hooks out? Hopefully it won't get tangled. No. Okay. I'll be back. Last quick test before I go to different river. I'm going to try same lure I was using 2 days ago that caught about 10 pike. If I catch fish with this lure, but I didn't catch, just right now with different lures and dead bait, no strikes. I don't know, I didn't see, maybe pike followed, maybe it tested, I don't know. That means there is something wrong with that system. Most likely I believe with lures, because this lure you saw already and you can see again, I can provoke pike, and I can't do that with that system. That's what I'm saying. Fishing is much easier and efficient if you know how and you use right lure. Big fish, came to look at it, but it didn't take. You could see like how small fish jumped. Yeah, that's a pike and it's hunting. Jesus Christ. So yes, look at this. Oh, it's a big thing. Oh, that's how you have to catch it. You have to provoke it. Look at this. Oh, this is a nice pike. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. I didn't bring pliers. Wow, this is a nice pike. Nice pike. Look at this. Wow. Usually there are not so big pike in this area on the shallows. Look at that mouth. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is a nice pike. Look at this. On so small lure. Oh, it was. Look at that. Oh. I spent, I don't know, 1 hour trying to film strike and I couldn't film, and then I just cast it, this small lure, and I got that beast. That's what I'm saying. People saying, why using boat to catch fish? I'm using boat to film, but it's very, very difficult anyway. But I'm going to film, don't worry. If not today, different day. If not in this river, in different river, because I know what I'm doing. But it was cool. Not deep, but it's getting deeper. Yeah, 1.7 meters. 2 meters. 2.2. 2.5. Jesus Christ. There is some deep hole in there. 3 meters. The lure is swimming too shallow, too close to the surface. 3.5 meters. Yeah, pike! I lost it. Ha ha ha. At least I had an attack. I hope camera filmed. And filmed why I lost it. I think it was small.